pure, fresh-smelling, natural citrus power cleans deep down to remove even the most stubborn grease and grime. Fortified with aloe, lanolin, glycerin, and other skin conditioners to soothe raw, rough hands. Biodegradable, waterless, petroleum solvent-free formula contains no harsh chemicals or ammonia that can sting cuts or abrasions. Also works great on laundry stains, scuff marks, tile floors, pet odors, and many other household cleaning needs. Smooth lotion gently deep cleans the toughest dirt. Permatex Fast Orange Smooth Lotion Hand Cleaner is a biodegradable, waterless, petroleum solvent-free hand cleaner that contains no harsh chemicals, petroleum solvents, or ammonia that can sting cuts or abrasions. The pure, fresh-smelling natural citrus power does the cleaning. Fortified with aloe, lanolin, glycerin, and other skin conditioners to soothe raw, rough hands, this smooth formula gently deep cleans the toughest dirt. Works great on laundry stains, scuff marks, tile floors, pet odors, and many other household cleaning needs. Top reviews from the United States. Smooth as silk and takes the crap off your hands too. Has the stuff with pumice, don't like it as. Yeah, it cleans well, but that pumice just doesn't want to go away. I like the smooth as it cleans and makes your hands soft, as it has the good stuff in it to do both, and it also has something in it to help heal all those tiny cuts and things like that. For what you can get a bottle of this for, there is no amount of Dawn or whatever else that will do better for twice the price.